Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make text overlay image in Elementor. So the first step is to go to your website and then create a blank section, and then you'll have to simply click on these six dots. As you can see above the plus button, you have these six dots. Simply click on them, and then here is this background type. You have to simply click on the image, and then you have to add your image. And after that, after you add your image, you have to simply resize it so you can make it bigger or smaller depending on your preferences and your website design. And as you can see in the middle of the image, you have this empty box with this plus button. So what you have to do is simply click on that plus button, and then basically you can add your text. And on the left side, you can change the text, you can change the size, and you can change the font and much more. And basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.